Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Asana for project management, complete guide step by step clearly. Look for the Get Started or Try for Free button on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your work email and click Get Started. Next, check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Asana. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. You will be directed to the Asana sign-up page. Here, create a password for your account. After entering your password, click Create Account. Asana may ask you to provide your name and organization details. Fill in the required fields accurately. Once done, click Continue. The next step is to set up your workspace. You can choose to create a new workspace or join an existing one. If creating a new workspace, enter a name for it. Click Next to proceed. Asana will now guide you through a brief onboarding process. You may be asked to invite team members at this stage. If you wish to invite them, enter their email addresses and click Send Invites. If you would prefer to skip this step, look for the option to continue without inviting anyone. Once you complete the onboarding process, you will land on your Asana dashboard. Explore the various features available to manage your projects effectively. To choose a subscription plan, click on the Upgrade button usually found in the sidebar. Review the available plans and their features carefully. Select the plan that best suits your project management needs. After selecting a plan, click Get Started. You will need to enter your payment details on the following screen. Fill out the necessary information and confirm your subscription. Begin organizing your tasks and collaborating with your team effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.